No, you saw mama. She's a mama and he wants mommy now. That's so funny. Gabe, you should try your sweater now. I think it's super toasty. Yeah.
That quick?
Yes.
How long do you have it on?
Oh, I had mine there for about maybe 5 minutes. I just went to get my henna and that's it. And I came back. Seriously, that heater is on fire right now. It's so cold outside that it's not warm enough. And guys, so today is my henna day. I need to be, yeah. I should have done this last night, but I think I still have plenty of time today. And I need more water. Oh my gosh. I need a cup of some sort. Okay, so yeah. Avivi. Good morning. Say hello.
Hello.
He's so funny. So there you go. That's not all of it. We need more.
What are you doing?
I'm mixing my henna so I can color my hair today.
What?
I'm gonna color my hair today. I'm gonna do henna today.
Mama, you need gloves first.
I do need gloves because if I don't wear gloves, my hands are gonna be orange. And I'm not trying to color my hands, I'm trying to color my hair. So I need gloves to protect my hands. Окей, русские девчата, это я хну замешиваю, чтобы я могла сегодня свои волосы покрасить. Потому что у меня там уже надо давным-давно красить. Она такая большая процедура, что я просто не очень люблю нею заниматься очень часто. Anyways, it's time for henna today. Way too toasty now. Yeah. Oh man, I love putting my shirt on it and then, goodness. Yeah? Warm?
That's fine.
So I got this essential oil. It's basically a tea tree oil, melaleuca, but it's a different type, I suppose. Can you guys see this at all? Camera, please. Be good to me. Oh my gosh. It's got vision issues, I guess. Okay. Can you guys see that now? Okay, good. So this is the oil that I got from Henna Souk. And supposedly it makes the henna a little bit deeper. And it adds fragrance as well. So it's not so grassy or weedy, whatever you want to call it. Yep, it requires a lot of mixing. And this is going to be extra. I'm going to use just for the roots next time because I think I'm going to have some left over just for the roots. And I think it might be a little bit more appealing to do because I don't have to do my whole head, like my whole hair, I mean. So it might make the job a little bit simpler. And I'll try that out and see how that goes because the simpler I can make this process, the better, which with henna it's really difficult to achieve, but anyway, I'm still hopeful that I can make this a little bit easier to do. And I love what it does to my hair, and that is why I continue to do this year after year. But honestly, I feel like once I start going like really grayish, like 50% of my hair is going to be gray, I might have to go blondish, and blonde actually looks nice on me. I remember I did it. I had lots and lots and lots of highlights back in the day, So I know that it's gonna look just fine. Even though I do like my brown hair, so I'm going to stick out with this, you know, stick with the henna until I can't stick with it anymore.
What does that mean?
It means I will continue using henna as long as I can until I can't use it anymore. Kind of fine, I'll stick with you. Cheers. It means fine, I'll be with you as long as I can. Until I can't anymore. Yeah? Yes, yes. Oh, it splits. Yeah, that's what I would sound like.
Papa, Pia, come fly! I need to.
Me too.
So now you do not play.
I'm not.
No. I thought I was playing.
I need to speak nice. You just woke up. How can you possibly be grumpy right now?
I want pancakes.
What? No, you can't have pancakes first thing in the morning. We all know the rule. What's the rule for desserts? Eat your meal and then desserts. I know. I'm sorry you don't like to hear that. But that is the truth. Oh, this is still clumpy. I think the clumps will be okay because they will absorb some water, and then I will mix it when it's time to eat. I mean, what? Eat? What am I talking about? I'm not gonna eat this. When it's time to apply.
I found out to explore. Look.
Yeah?
Now, is this for real? He's for real, what? Yeah, he doesn't have a sword. No, he doesn't. Oh, it's okay. I like sword.
Oh my god.
That didn't hurt.
Look at this, that itty teeny bit that I did to wipe off the henna, it actually had time to stain my finger. It's insane what's happening. What is happening? Oh, my coffee is not warm enough. Oh, back in the microwave you go. I want to buy me a nice coffee machine. Can you guys recommend me a good coffee machine? Because I want to brew my own coffee. I know what I want, but it's expensive-ish.
And what's happening here?
I do know what I want. It's a Breville something, espresso something, cappuccino machine or something. It sure is expensive. So, I just want like I guess a decent drip coffee thing. No, not like that. I forgot what I'm doing. This is henna, everybody. This is not food that goes in the fridge. Henna needs to be sealed or else the top will dry. We do not want to be applying crust. Okay, perfect.
Why? This is
Oh, this is such a tedious process, honestly. When it's time for me to wash it off, that's a good day. I mean, that's a good moment right there. But to imagine walking with it for 3.5 hours, it's just kind of dreadful. But, you know, I deal with it. There you go. I'm gonna put a towel over it because it will make it keep it nice and warm as long as possible.
Hey, Hulk.
So it's almost 10 in the morning. That means I will be
Trying to get my boogie out.
You are. Is it coming out?
Where have you been, Hulk?
Is the boogie coming out?
Yeah.
Excellent. You can get a wipe from me.
Okay, it's cool. Okay, he's getting it. This is Thor. This is wait. This is Iron Man. Remember him? Iron. Oh, so
You need a napkin or a wipe?
Hey, Hulk.
Imagine if this Hulk had a mom.
Hey. Are you ready for me? I got a
Imagine if
boogie
you got this Hulk
out.
got a scratch in his
I
head.
got a boogie out. Mama.
Mama. I see a little somebody here. There you go. Don't move the camera down.
Here. Oh. You like my weapons, Hulk? Very nice, yeah?
This is my coffee, you guys. This is so clean. Now, if only I had something delicious.
I want to eat something.
Yes, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to Russian sausage and scrambled eggs this morning for you guys. I have very little sausage. So I'm going to do eggs, and instead of bacon, I'm going to do the Russian sausage.
Russian sausage and eggs is what he said.
Here, I have a small piece. It'll be like a slice.
I want fat pieces because I like those.
If it's going to be fat, it's going to be only one.
What? One fat piece and it's all gone? Oh. I was like, wait, only one fat slice and then it's all gone. Okay.
If I cut it, each of you are going to get like a slice. You get a slice and a half.
Oh boy. Never mind.
What you doing, baby? Sophie, what are you doing?
Thank you. Bye-bye.
What are you doing, baby?
My tummy hurts.
Maybe you just gotta go boogie. And you're done.
I'm washing sausage. I'm gonna cook it.
Oh, baby, not yet. You know what? Joey can eat something else. He's like still sleeping. So I'm gonna make this for you.
This is going to work brilliantly.
Yeah. He's not gonna be hungry for a couple of hours, for an hour at least. What is that robot? Okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna show myself yet because I have castor oil on my hair right now. I've been sleeping in castor oil all night. So So it looks kind of interesting. So yeah, basically I try to do castor oil. When I was pregnant, I was doing it like religiously, like every single time I need to like wash my hair the next day. I would do a castor oil like to my roots with a little dropper to, you know, keep my hair growing and be nice and healthy and not fall out much. My hair little didn't fall out, but I think that had at least half to do with pregnancy itself. Your hair just doesn't fall out during pregnancy, and then afterwards, a few months after, then you're basically raining hair. Oh, this is a small pan. I need a big pan. Ooh. Oh. Castor, where are you going?
Hey, Mila, what are you doing? You do that. Bye-bye, Mila. Excellent, yawn. Now for some more mischief. More food?
Oh, come on, butter.
Give me that. Cost it too.
Such a weird sound. What cartoon is that? What cartoon is that, Gabe?
It's Mila and Broth.
A what?
Mila and Broth.
Mila and whatever. That's what I heard. Maybe that's enough. I think 3 is enough. Just heating up some butter.
Bring all these machines to the new building site.
All right. Breakfast. So I should mix, well actually there's not much, so I'm gonna do it all. Yes.
Not in my city.
What are you doing?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Pretending Iron Man is killing it.
Here we are.
This monster
Building
there.
site.
Hey, there's a truck here. Are we ready?
Yep. The only truck we didn't have to bring. It came by itself. It's a robot dump truck that we got from Professor Zong. Remember,
turn this
Lawrence?
down.
All your machines fell from your truck, and it's causing mayhem in my city. You are right. The truck is empty. What do we do now?
Just move the camera a little bit. You can't see it, like this part or anything. Yeah, I can now. Could see my clay. Yeah, almost it all.
balloon.
Like with the police car.
Baby. Woo! This candle is almost gone. I need to like find it again. It's called, but it's Bath and Body Works Joy. I love it. Okay, this one's done. Uh-oh. Okay, Gabe likes thick ones, so let's find him some thick ones. That one, I don't know, man. They're all about the same. There we go. They're not too crazy about scrambled eggs, so I'm not gonna even bother. Gabe, I have a pickle, I have sauerkraut, I have a cucumber. Do you want anything? I don't even, okay. Do you want any sauerkraut or pickles or cucumbers?
I don't know which one's good with pickles. I never had it with
Either one is delicious. I think maybe sauerkraut would be better.
Yeah, I want sauerkraut.
At least try it like that.
Yeah, it's hot. I mean, be careful.
Yeah, it's hot. It's just off the pan. Alright, you guys, I gotta continue on. Gotta keep going.
It's really
I
hot
need a
right
fork
now.
to chop. Okay.
It's just really hot.
Hi, guys. What is this on the lens? Fingerprints, huh? Uh-oh. Okay, so I washed off my castor oil a few hours ago, and then we left the house to do a few things, a few chores. I went and bought some groceries. Hey, turn it down. Whoa, that's really loud. Baby, turn it down.
What if we make our new friend?
Who else watches Stinky and Dirty? Cute.
What if we give Rover?
Yeah. So I am going to go ahead and start mixing my henna to the proper texture or consistency, I should say, not texture. And then I'm gonna do my henna. My hair is clean, no hair products whatsoever. When I went to the store, I had like a bun on because my naturally soft hair was like literally going like this. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm like, this is this was insane. So I'm like, I gotta put it up. I went to that cheap store and I found some Angus beef patties. I don't know if they are going to be any good, but there were 35, you guys, 35 patties. Hold on a sec. There you go. There were 35 patties, 5.3 ounces each, which is like, you could say a third pounder patties. And I got them at $1 a pound, basically. I paid $12.80 for 12 pounds of meat, ground beef. They kind of look like this, but they were in a nice, big, juicy looking case. So it's like that, basically. There's 6 patties in each. So I'm really hoping that they are at least good enough to eat, you know what I mean? If it's not, then basically I lost $12.80. Because there's no way Danny will eat something that he does not like. So, yeah. Okay, there you go. You know what else we're gonna do right now? I'm going to mix up my indigo. Indigo is green. Okay, let's see. Okay. So I am just going to go ahead and mix this in a bowl. Add all of this. 3 tablespoons per batch, I wrote. So I'm guessing this is about 3 tablespoons. So I'm just gonna put all of it in here. There you go. And I'm gonna add some water and a little bit of salt. It helps indigo, brings out the color, or makes it deeper, or it makes it sort of desaturated. I'm not so sure exactly. But that is what I read on the henna website, so I'm going to add some salt. Not much, like a good pinch, I would say. And then I'm going to add some hot water. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna use the same spatula. It has some henna on it, but that's okay. Jasper is taking a nap right now. Can you guys see anything inside? Oh, I don't want to dump it out, so let's see. Maybe that's a little too much water. We'll see. Yeah, kind of feels like it. Feels a little soupy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, my henna is kind of thick. It should be the consistency of yogurt. Right now, it's the consistency of mashed potatoes. So, I think this water here is not going to be that much of a trouble, because I will be adding some liquid into the henna this way. I don't need to add any other liquid except this. So, and it's gonna stand like this for a little while the color develops. So that's it. And I'm gonna go ahead and prepare all my other things, like my wrap that I will do over the saran wrap. So I need the saran wrap in the bathroom too. I need to get my gloves. What time is it? It's 4, almost 30, which means that I am going to need to have this done by bedtime. 4:30 plus 3.5 hours, that's 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock should be okay. 8:30 or whatever it is, so it's gonna be good. Yeah, my roots are just insane. Do you see the color? Yeah. Now you know why I like the henna color, because it's just gorgeous reddish, purplish brown. Love that color. There you go, just replaced the battery. My camera died. So I made some broth, and I just added some chicken feet to it to start a new batch, basically, so that I have more of it. Squeeze all the minerals out of these bones. Here's some broth in there. That one is a little bit lighter. I did not reduce that one. So, okay, this polar vortex is coming our way. They say it's going to snow for the next week. Probably not too much. Probably sounds better than it actually is, but that's okay. So Danny went to Costco to buy some ingredients, some food, like rotisserie chicken, potatoes, all the usual important things. Oh, I'm not supposed to interrupt my indigo. Indigo needs to be maturing without interruptions. Okay, I need somebody to empty the dryer now. Hey, Joey. Jonathan, can you please empty the dryer? Camera's out of focus. Okay, you guys, I am gonna go do my henna. I'm not gonna be recording it because it's just a mess. It's a disaster. But I will vlog Jasper when he wakes up, so you guys can see his adorable little face. All right, see ya, folks. Okay, so this is what I look like. This is always funny. This is actually a cute wrap. I normally use dark purple one, and I don't know where that went. So I have this, and I like the coloring on this one. The pattern is just fabulous. Okay, Danny just went to Costco, you guys. It's hilarious, but he said he just took the last shopping cart. This is what the snowstorm is doing to Costco today. Well, they're making a lot of money. Listen, he has to wait for some rotisserie chickens, he said. This is just hilariously crazy. It would be even funnier if it's not that big of a deal and people just stock up on everything. He went, like, get some milk, maybe, because you know how they package things in bulk, so they have like 2 gallons. So I'm like, one you can take to my parents' house and one for us. And then he just calls me and he's like, the milk is gone. Seriously, the milk is gone. He's like, there were only 3 bags of potatoes. This cracks me up because this never happens. People in our town, like in our side of the world, they don't know how to drive in snow. They don't know how to, basically they think it's such a huge deal. I think it's probably not going to be that big of a deal, but I did want to have like plenty of things, so just in case, yeah. So I have a lot of food at home, like crazy. I can tell you, I bought some tortillas so I can make kids some like breakfast burritos with egg and cheese. And then at that cheap store I found some Chobani vanilla yogurt, those big quart things, small plates or bowls. Let me see if we have any small plates or bowls. Danny's asking me if we need any small plates or bowls. We have plates and we don't have any bowls. Okay, I gotta go answer him. The boys are pretending something in the dark, so they turn off the lights and here I am with the lights. Okay, let me answer. Bowls, please. Ooh, what is he showing me? What is this, you guys? Bathroom odor. Is this some kind of a hint? I'm kidding. It says poopery toilet spray. 3 4-ounce bottles. No, thank you. $20, please. Give me a break. No, Danny. I'm just being silly. Looks nice. I can see that it's like 3 different fragrances, right? What is it? Original, which is amazing. Lavender vanilla. I have a room spray that was like lavender vanilla. And then that one is before you go, whatever. We get the clue, poopery. Okay. So anyways, what else am I doing here? I was talking about what I have. Oh yeah, so I got that. I got this Chobani. It was 2 for $1. Can you believe that? Okay, so kombucha. Oh, that's from before. Okay, so I got some grapes. I got apples on the table over there. I got the tortillas. I need to like organize, clean up. He's about to bring a lot more things, so I need to do that. I got them some Chobani raspberry yogurt today, and that was $1 for the whole case. So yeah, I got that. Yeah, it says I think they are going to bring out the milk. People are waiting. That's so funny. Oh, LOL. Papa says people are waiting. They're gonna bring out some milk, they think. This is so funny. You know what? Danny hates busy stores. He despises them. It's basically his pet peeve. So, but today he went with the one last shopping cart. This is crazy. He's like, LOL, sounds like a third world country. Sounds like Russia to me. When like my parents, my mom had to. Lines of panicky people. Anyways, she had to stand in line to get butter, meat, all that stuff. But the whole town knew my mama. She was a smile on the streets when she was walking by. So she got good treatment. You know, there's a Russian word for a mother of many kids. I was just talking about this today with Penny. And a mother of many kids, there's a word. It's basically "Многодетная mama." It's a phrase. There's no such phrase in English. It's as if when you have a lot of kids, something's wrong with you. You're judged based on having too many kids. Either you didn't use protection or oops, it was an accident, you know, that kind of stuff. So, but in Russia, it was different. It was perceived differently. It was somehow, people treated you, I would say, kinder. I don't know, like my mom would be in line and then the cashier would be like, come here, Karina, come here, you know, like let this woman go through, you know, she's многодетная mama. It means many kids mama, mama of many kids. So yeah, it was really nice. And here it's like if you have more than 2 kids, it's like, are you trying for a girl? What is it? I got it! Yay! No, Grandma's gonna be happy. My mama, that is. He's gonna buy. What about rotisserie chicken? Where? Oops. So yeah. Okay, I must be doing a zuppa toscana soup today. I have everything for it. I just don't have a pot for it. This is making broth. This is clean broth. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna freeze it. No, put it in the fridge. Pour a part of it, and then I'm going to fry up the onion and the meat. That's what I'm going to do. So yeah. I'm gonna Instagram this, but there's a picture of me breastfeeding as a baby. Oh my gosh. It just, like, I don't know, my heart. 3 chickens, yes. 1 for mama, 2 for us. Okay, so what else? It's supposed to start snowing at night. I'm gonna stay up just for it. Just kidding. It's like it's supposed to start snowing at 3. This would be hilarious if all it is going to be is just going to turn to rain. And then everybody can just laugh about it in their piles of food. Let me check what the weather says right now. Is it refreshed? Are you refreshing or not? This is what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, not bad at all. Kind of cold at night. I have this nice woolly sheep, whatever you call it, like a down blanket. And I was even considering like going into the storage and dragging everything out because it's in the back of the thing and it's brand new too, and it's a few years old, brand new old. So yeah, what else did I buy? I bought 3 packages of ground beef. I'll basically tell you how I have stocked up for the winter storm. Apples, mandarins in there, they will go in the bowls. This is ground beef from a day ago or 2, and this I got today. This is actually not that much. It's like 2 pounds. Okay, 2.7 pounds. Okay, fine, 2.5 pounds each. So I have lots of meat. I'll be making beef patties. I'll be making brown meat soup. Is what I think it's called, brown maska soup. It's that yellow looking soup with ground beef. So yeah, and like I said, Dana's gonna bring some foodies. I hope my parents are gonna be happy. I need to call them soon. I might just call. Let's see if my mama answers the phone. My sisters. A huge chat. I told them about the clay mask at Costco, you guys. Let me open this up. This one, if you want it, go and get it because I kind of think it's nice and it's cheap. You know how much it was? It was $28 and now it's only $10. Yeah. Oh, this looks so weird. I need my hair. I need my hair. All right, you fellas, ladies. My little boys are playing so nice and quiet right now. I love it. Or maybe it's just this thing covering my ears. Henna peekaboo. No, they are quiet. Remember those oils, the room fragrance oils I purchased at a cheap store? I was doing a haul and they were like these double packs of oils. Well, I had my whole family except my brother was here for my birthday a couple of weeks ago and I gave them those oils. So I hope they like it. One sister said she likes it. The other one said thank you so much. So they smell really nice. One is like a grapefruit smell and it smells just nice and citrusy, you know. And the other one has a lily smell, which isn't my it's not my favorite, but it's still like a pleasant kind of Are you looking at me? Are you looking at me? Sorry, I think I'm in a really goofy mood right now. Oh, I didn't even time. 5:20. I bet you I had this thing on for 20 minutes? At least 20 minutes. 20 minutes, I'm gonna say, which makes it 5 o'clock. 5 plus 4 is 9, so 8:30 I'm going to wash it off. Yep. What did I just say? 8:30, okay. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna turn this off before I say something that I will regret. Okay, bye. Помню, мама.
Мама такая, знаешь, растерянная. Я никак не могла відкрити телефон. Дзвони, у сумку нема, у карман пальто нема, та де ж він дзвонить. Але в платі нормально.
Смешно. Потерялся телефон в платье, да?
Що у вас нового?
Ничего, нормально. Вы это самое... Мама, вы сегодня дома будете или нет? Вы сегодня вечером будете дома?
Да.
Да?
А що сьогодні за день?
Сегодня... День перед снегом. Сегодня пятница, мама.
Повторіть.
Пятница.
Ага, пятница. Ага. А чего ты хоть спрашиваешь?
Ага. Мама, вам Даник завезет галлон молока и курочку горячую, хорошо?
Хорошо, спасибо большое, но кажется, галлон, ну, начатый уже. Молоко стоит в холодильнике. Ну,
Хорошо. Хорошо. Он сейчас это в Costco, он там скупляется, потому что это снег будет. И он хочет, чтобы это, ну, было что, чтобы было что кушать, потому что показывает снег как будто бы на всю неделю.
Да. Вот я съездила только что в это, в аптеку, в сетей, получила таблетки от сахара. Вот тоже вспомнила, думаю, куда погода.
Да. Ясно. Окей. Он такой смешной говорит, что в Costco, говорит, я последнюю тачку взял, там, говорит, людей ужас много. Там картошку все разобрали, только там пару мешков лежало. Представляешь, молока вообще не было. Там, ну, люди ждут молоко, как будто бы сейчас вывезут молоко. Вывезли молоко. Ну. Он говорит, там мясо, некоторые куски мяса уже нету, там некоторые такие, ну как, пустые места мяса. Люди это самое перепугались и скупляются перед снегом.
Да, конечно, да.
Да. Да, хорошо, мама, я потом скажу ему, когда он скажет, что выезжает с магазина, я скажу, окей?
Спасибо вам большое.
Не за что. Пожалуйста.
Сколько это будет стоить?
Нисколько.
Ну как это?
Придумала мама.
Подарок для Деда Мороза. От Деда Мороза.
Подарок для папы и мамы, да.
От Деда Мороза. Надик же с бородой.
А, ну да. Дед Мороз. Дед Мороз вам привезет курицу с... Да, если бы он был дома, я бы еще кое-что положила бы. А так у меня это, он домой не заезжает, он сразу с магазина. Может быть, что еще надо было там?
Нет, это есть и масло, и сало, и до салата. Нет.
Да, есть. Алло?
Не беда. Насчет хлеба не знаю, но говорю, это не беда. Да. Нет.
А ты сама спечи, у тебя мука есть, которую я тебе дала, помнишь?
А помню.
Да, вот можешь взять, там у тебя есть хлебопечка и сделай себе.
Хорошо. Да, ну что?
Сегодня или завтра.
Да. Завтра, конечно. Есть такой, папа приносил там, то он нормальный еще, но если уже на целый месяц будет заверюха, то тогда, конечно, не хватит на месяц.
Ну да.
Ребята, зачем? Какая-то пословица. Бывает в жизни огорчение, что вместо хлеба ешь печенье.
А, вместо хлеба есть печенье. Да.
Деточки там, как это часто мои.
Хорошо. Играются. Джаспер спит. А эти трое бегают. Бегают, играют. Что-то строят там, а что-то обстроили эту свою кухоньку стульями кухонными, коробкой там, в общем, что-то там мудруют. А я буду суп сейчас делать.
А я тоже спала, как бабичка. И ночью спала хорошо. И...
Хорошо. Хорошо, мама, может быть, потом поговорю. Я сейчас бегом буду делать супик.
Ага, давай.
И
Всего
всё.
доброго. Спасибо большое. Пускай вас Бог благословляет.
Спасибо, мама. Ага, счастливенько. I love you.
I love you, Dr. Broth.
I love you, мама.
I love you, доченька. И твоих деточок обожаю.
Хорошо. Не только я, да, и ты.
И вас всех.
Спасибо, мама.
Пожалуйста.
Хорошо.
Готово.
Я с Богом. Бай.
Bye.
Бай. Бай-бай.
Bye.
Бай-бай, мама.
Окей, доктор.
Окей.
Только припарковала машину.
А, ты только приехала домой?
А, ну вот, сижу в машине.
О. Say bye, grandma. Hi, grandma. Bye, grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Ой, хай, Джови.
Авив.
Ой, я Виви. Ай, я путаю.
Звучит похоже.
Виви, I love you too.
Yeah, we have a cat here. Yeah.
Окей. Все. Трубку мне отдал и все.
Что сказал?
Сказал, что-то, я не знаю, что-то там стеснялся, что-то говорил так нежненько. Я не понял, что он сказал. Что-то хорошее, наверное, сказал. Я хорошо, мама, счастливенько. I love you.
Ага, счастливенько, доча, I love you.
Bye. There you go. That's my mama. Well, hello there, sweetheart. Look at this. Finally, my sister's texting back, saying something about Costco shopping.
Look, Freddy.
Oh, Jasper, you with the camera. Oh, no, no mouth, please. No mouth. Come in. Let's have Boost now. Boost. Boost. Now Boost. Now Boost. Oh, sorry, baby. Sorry. Sit down. Sit down. Do you guys love his hair? Look at all this frizziness going around here. So freaking cute. I'm like, should we give him a haircut? And he's like, no, they're so adorable. Cute little ducklings. Jasper, what you do? Jasper, look at yourself. You're the cutest thing here.
So can I have the robot dollars again?
He is climbing to reach something.
Nope.
Are those forks and spoons? Oh, cooking utensils.
This is not Freddy. It's Freddy's son. Yeah, it's Freddy's son. Okay.
What's that, Jasper?
Freddy's son.
I'm Freddy.
What you doing, smiley face? You're so smiley. Jasper, you got yourself a cool bottle. Huh?
Abibi, that's Freddy. No teasing.
Okay. Alright, so this is my meat for the soup. This is the first time I got this Italian mixture at this butcher shop that we sometimes stop by. I hope that it's as good or better, at least as good as the one that I buy, like packaged. What's the matter, baby? He's not happy. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Really, Jasper? He can't pick it up with one hand like that. Oh, you silly boy. Like this. Oh, you got it. There you go. So I already sauteed some onions. I put it in the broth right there. So that's done. That meat looks about done as well. I'm going to add all of that fat in it. I can always scoop it out from the actual pot, but I know that this is like, there's spices floating in there and seasoning, basically all seasoning and flavor. That's it. And 3 pounds was just too much for the quantity of, for the size of my pot. 3 pounds of this meat was too much. That will go in the freezer for next time. All right. So now we just add some potatoes. Yep, enough room for potatoes. That's good. I was beginning to worry. Where is it, Avivi?
I don't know.
You guys, Avivi is fully potty trained. He even wipes himself. Of course, I check, make sure. So keep looking. No, it's not there. Keep looking. No, it's not gonna be that low. You know what worked? I'm talking to people right there.
Yeah.
Surprise eggs.
Yeah.
Yes, it's the best potty training tool ever. Nope, not in the closet. No, not in the closet. No, it's not on the floor. It's a little bit higher. It's a little bit higher.
It's just something.
Oh yeah, it's my sisters are chatting and shit.
Is it a bit higher?
It's easy to see. It's not that hard.
Yay!
You're so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to order that. So what?
Okay, we'll tell Papa not to buy these ones. We'll tell Papa to buy different
I like
ones.
it.
You think you like it?
Okay,
All right.
let's go.
He's so happy. Oh my goodness. Oopsie. Turn it down, Joey. You guys.
Open myself.
Like open but wow.
Oh, it has a red flashing light.
You got me something? No, you didn't.
Because I'm going to be able to move the thing away.
Where's my lid?
What is it's an orchard that door. It's an orange one.
That's Mr. Conductor.
Yay! I got it.
Oh.
I got this one.
Hello. Look at this squeaky clean baby. Somebody took a nice bath. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this is so cool. My goodness. Oh no. Hey guys, you want to see my soup today? It's already cooling off, so let me make this a little bit prettier. So there it is. Oh, just don't drop the toy in there. There's the Italian sausage. Oh my gosh. There's the kale and the potatoes. This is the easiest soup I've ever made. Easier than any other soup I've ever made. Literally just a few ingredients and a couple steps. So, I'm gonna get him ready for bed. Thanks for watching. And I'm gonna go put him to sleep and then come out and wash off my henna and send the boys to bed. And then party with my hubby. Eat steak and watch the snow fall. So, yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.